Hello everyone. Did you know that genetic algorithm, or GA, has been applying to solve many real-world optimization problems in many fields, including engineering design, for optimizing structures and systems, logistics, for route planning and scheduling, finance, for portfolio optimization and trading strategies, machine learning, for feature selection and model tuning, and bioinformatics, for tasks like DNA alignment and drug discovery. Genetic algorithm is especially useful when problems are complex, large-scale, or lack straightforward mathematical solutions. What do you think? Do you want to use genetic algorithm in your research? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.